for. Niema was a wodwene ho ansa na odo ho akwa long distance relationship mo. Ye kan kosi age. Inti anope ye beto aso. Na Reverend Cyril George Lutrot wababeka yensa counselor ono ene nipa ye ni disa enkomo yi. Ye beto ankomo no so no mepe se obetie ni ye na wodi bi ato koto dwam esan se ehia se wo se wo fasa efutue kaza ma chen
ye bokode
ami adom na so
yes last week am hu
ade
se bibia de din finally wait me break virginity and now crem still
ekwem
ade adwinfi bi ana ehu
ni nyina
wa combine bi no asem bi akoso no se enkrofo bebre have decided not to break their virginity and they are practicing wrong things in the name of virginity. And to what you want, I mean, too, for some men, you be.
And then they
men fat dudo, ni dudo. Wouldn't mind the code. Now, virgin don't go anymore.
Oh, na say social media be.
I too was social media. What would be that?
Me who that, but me who social media so.
Now, social media, I share. Huh? Also, who be that? Then I share social media.
Say.
Obi ka say usum.
Aha.
Saying, o da ko ka bi. O fe so ye.
Me cha say, me
then I ko ye no.
Na aka say me sum.
Saying. Sum na me hwa de.
Counselor.
Girl you su. Ade na dia ko su bi e ke so ye say. Na ba no ye say.
Me fa na ma.
Debi share one. Who you su? Hey, Jai, why? Jai na bet what that's what he
Hey, counselor.
I didn't break it. So people are doing a lot of wrong things and hiding behind Christianity and making virginity as a burden in society. And yes, if you are a virgin, be a virgin because all virgins are burdens. But all the way, what I say. And those of you who have now married, remember that you are no more virgins. Stop disturbing your husbands. It's very important. Number 2, are you aware we are in October?
Yeah.
Okay, so October, last week, me say from last month till December, no, me boan memu mayo ate se mo. Sana be amon fa be ma ho en check mu fertility status. Men ka se opese wonyim nti be me be nyem o. Oba bia awura wade mu ene nyense no wo bre wonye nije da kosi da be. E say what trimester stages bia nyense ho sunsuanso no en ma wani nje. Nti me ka se from last month in the kosi December ending no me mo baby aba ombra me ho airport ho de em hwe no enye ye ma be me bi no wonder by be ma wahu o clinical status o electroforce say we AA we AS we den utumi wo untumi wo aye bia umoja ubu nsa kire se wo yi nkosua pa na enti me sremo ye tu sa na mo na me yeso baby si na no si ma nyema onwale me na nyense hu sunsuanso de bi ebedi hu nkobo wonse mu amoti wa mo nyem da no muntu mbo na sebio mo ampa ko bi a afi da osua camera work anyem na eba na se ti se obi oton pike ni obi oton die ni ombe so mo wale je de yi ya pike yi je ni e woni panu enti wo yi de ton je ni na wo ton pike dia mo ho kire mo ntem ese mo we ai se mo ton so ti ase de to so bi October yi Senati we unufu ese ye miemia ni hwem sa ye bia kokoro medem na why dada na
this man be menye
da why bi da
ma ye bi da
okay na unufu ye de kambu na chalote
je kan ye menima de ko
unim unufu type ye o chalote ni kambu oh ede get back come share the last week of me try selfie wa na de chalote what must you enti ene ye po amehwe so de na kambu na bo modern na ko ni ahwehwem pink man tie ye wamu yi obi anko ne ahwehwem embema bia oni oba nam say or your sister or your mama o futuo ni say make sure you encourage any female beside you to go and examine their breast. In this month, sincerely, majority of the places are doing free screening. Even in my place on Endpoint, we're doing free screening. Bruh, you can even go to Kolebu Teaching Hospital. That I'm also sure the 2 places I mentioned, they're very sure people I know. You can go there near screening. Say, baby, you want in Tema. Yeah, you know, phone if you say, only know for why you ain't me true nipple, you ain't true nipple to a thing. Pass it. Because the way a breast is important to a young boy or a man, you see, the breast milk is important to a male child, but the nipple is important to a man. So we spend money on the nipple, not breast milk. Me, I spend money on nipple. And to me, Mumbo Madina Monko, go and examine your breast so that if there's anything like breast cancer in it, any lump that is unwanted within the place, now you to me examine now. Now I'm going. Me tell you ma, me chia pa. Nene de yaba. Last week ma usu na me shira mo se mo esu. Ene su kuma se fu e mo bra mo besu ma ye bi o kuma Americans. Ene ye su da. Mo besu se mo ho na ade ne da. Me ko na mo se kofodua fo so ka on kakra. Kofodua ne kuma se most of the calls that came. Tamale fo ne de mo nim de friend Londoners. So mo de omo po de omo ye long dada. And the distance ne be kan wa aye dwe. But omo tia for the last week they say if it's within the same country, it can be called a long distance. If it's out of the country, then it's called a long distance. And me da say last week come ye di ye no. Ye money tell na me mbra and then come with you. Because I met twice from where I ended.
Last week you drew age.
Ye so you a good student and before I can say tia pa the last week.
Say
so wanu so.
Enti me den na ye kese.
Omo chirem de menye ma. Guy bi wo boy your friend say Shatabando. Waji edro ye fi wanu na ayetenten.
Mempe.
Mr. Shatabando na meka no.
Yeah.
There you also sunda ya na oni Shatawale there your friend is if you do see on sunda ya na Shatawale de na da. Enye se mpema agro, but mu so hwa nkrom wo no ho. Na mo kase enti ote. Enti Shatawale fi wanu a obenya expansion on your lips.
Mempe expansion.
Open say ya. Say na tie ni de tie ati say no. Udi mi honam say. O ma kase yanko.
Now last week you kasa for the types of women.
Good.
Wife ka ho, side chicks ka ho, baby mamas ka
ho. Ko
your friend is saying
come back na ayi we fi yanko. Kasa say
meba
wife host kasa say na say
wife
producer e good yanko.
Wife
agba yanko.
side chicks, baby mama, sex mates.
Thank you.
Baako ya na mrefi.
Oh, na we dey angasa. One Ghana na we dey.
Menya hwe menka ho bi.
Uni bi. Na branti ogina we dey.
Oh, I'm a colleague.
And we a colleague. And I'm me or then.
Oh, you're my counselor.
You feel so? You said don't feel so. Can't even slap. You're from my woman. I'm the demon.
I obviously, Mr. Wafa was only more fancy.
So, my last one, I'm already feeling a person. It's not my clue. What's it?
Your friend is girlfriend now.
That's the last.
Aye.
And then I said, I brand new colleague. They will say a colleague there, the same occupation as
girlfriend.
And the last one here, girlfriend. Why are they? Your boy, one boy, young.
Oh, they be. Oh.
So one I can't.
Aye.
And you'll be the cousin.
It's ano. Your far wife. Our no need kind of. And a wife no so.
Nothing a church wife.
Church mu near what's our share and son a weapon long distance relationship. So who know? And say I know you do age. So say okay say we say we show fear. Ah, we dear cry and son a baby son at all. But I see you bet me after free.
But I sent you as a four and I wouldn't ask one of a kind. I want to say thank you for joining us and all of you those watching on Facebook. Say good morning to you. When we drop the number, send me more money so that I can buy something to make myself excited. Sika the money pa a year or the four and year and you Tio, or my didn't come last week. My obiati as you say, there are 5 categories of women in every life of every man. We have the wife who has the legitimacy, legality, and social responsibility to be pronounced a wife and be shown to the public. And to what we yet to be found chere. This is how done it. And to boy be an old chimpanzee no chair will go in massy. Was say market now, what I said, say, obey the order. No, one dear, on your girlfriend, we are then. Sex mate. You should have said last time. Obi so ne wo wa on your wife. Who your baby mama. And the man ya want to say who your yere. What I say hey. And now who said that you your chair when BBC me bahala ben Friday. Saturday anopa. Yeah, papa bi ewu aye ne make me can say bi wa. Last time me ko we banana in beer. Saturday. Me will be a from council assembly bi esu na just say me. Yesu bi ade na wo. What's your no one year? You know what you remember that if I have a child with you, you are not a wife, so you don't have a mother-in-law. So when we are bereaved, you are not welcome into the family as an in-law, but you are welcome into the family as our child's mother. Get ya come ye binim no basa basa basa. Okoyan siye na. Again, the wife herself has a group of people. Alma pegging at was eyi na se na kola na betimi aba no no ntumi baby ono so ba ntuma ye twa no wakotwa bi ena ntuma na yesi ye wo okotwa the wife was a young crofo ye na see we grandchildren nti ne ba no e so she grandchildren shirt ne ba na ye bema but oni hu kwa so be she grandchildren ono so oni hu kwa so be she
children
wife and I say but the wife did up slits and what to black lace that
yes
or the grandchildren are seen in some
that's all your grandchild hey your wife hey counselor
go police station as of today you can report but your presence there was not well defined. Listen to me very carefully. This weekend, if a man has a child with you and the man has lost the mother, don't go to the funeral as an in-law. You are just a baby mama. As a matter of fact, a year to me because of your child. You can decide not to even go to the year. Somebody has to go to grandmother's funeral by force. So that's your head. So let's learn those ones. Any as a baby mama no who wait as say obey the okay say me no go long distance. Me na wo na so me on wale me na so me no long distance at o dey na ndu ho ba nya nkoba yedi. Die omo hia na yedi nkoba last week say ya wado. The awade no so ye chiche mu say they are type of marriages. So when a man wants to choke you and say I'm in a long distance relationship with you, first consider what type of marriage are we in. Say is it wedlock? Is it traditional marriage? Is it Mohammedan marriage? Only three marriages in this particular country we have. Customary marriage ni efia wade ayaya one dia yebusunya dia to say we yire ena mremu dia friend civil eni asori wade mremu dia friend civil marriage no eno so ebi na ate ho na dia one man one wife ye kuni pe dia kawabiga mi ye pe mba wade ya tie we say ye dia say no ana Muhammad na one eno so polygamous marriage no eni dia wan na wo yes we can no avia be ka say insusuanso ben na de breye one dia ka say you need to consider a lot of things. So make I say you should consider your age as at the time you are entering into the marriage. I also discuss whoever is in the question here. We are discussing wives. Let's remember that there are some men in long distance relationships. There are some men who have allowed their wives to go. The impact on men are very minimal. Mr. Miri Jabno to Kwanko Abruchida and habit. Me cry. Oh, there be me a bema. They have me idea. O Jan Kwala bema this one. No, when Jan Kwala na mamia because medidium obey provision ma medidium. If you are able to say, I will not have the impact. To so no. What must say? And 7% me somebody be can ho cry. Mitimi ko yi kawe. E ko gum e wali be can ho. So Jan o hanti. The impact on men are minimal. But for the women, because women are very faithful in marriage. No, that one I'll give it to women. If you meet any woman who is cheating me behind her husband, I mean, it doesn't come. It doesn't come to affect the statistics at all. Married women, when a woman is married, let's give them the right that they are very, very faithful. Sir?
Say, oh, your bawari for usu to me kucha.
O say cheating is part of marriage. It's a decision. There's nothing I can do to stop my wife from cheating. There's nothing. There's nothing. And there's nothing she can do to stop me from cheating. It's part of the marriage. If I've not decided to do it yet, that is a yet process. But I can't know because cheating. That's a one wale. Yeah, cheating is part of us. There are two things you expect in marriage: cheating and divorce. So me kaya, me jina, so me can. But me can say, when it comes to virgin for married women, their faithfulness, I can vouch for it. I mean, once a while, somebody, and it's not a demonic attack. It's not devil. No. It's part of life. What must I say? Just understand how to manage it. So, ye di say ye di man impact on women. And ye can say, oh baby, know your status. What you could do here? Say, me to me awu, and I mean to me. Is he going through stowaway? Is he going through a program? What is the likelihood that his traveling will become successful? He's going for documentation to come for you. What is the likelihood, say, as he's going, he's definitely going to have that thing happen. Now, do baby I cast our day anyway. Now I send you be frame meeting but say me yes a quick one we say obi wo long distance na nkasa no enye so onya brantia ne te ha and start here. So there are people whose long distance was not because we were together and I travel.
Yeah.
But the men are out of the country. And they send women, their family to come and block them down. Hey, ma. I take advantage me. And now, say what you Ghana ha. Say anonymity. Bemen boys in now will be at your level. What must say? And two po be a wallow. Na so where we tell musa. Na brantie be af no ordinary. Apeni baby agina we brochire asma ni busuafo as we on social media no aba your ho de sesia no you are married in long distance relationship but the guy you have not met before it is by photograph photoshop and whatever it is no but you are waiting for a guy so that you get clearance and go. Your own is another package. So they too are another group of people whose pain, ridicule, shame and risk factors are high because you see, if you are with me and I travel, you know who I am. There's a slight opportunity for you to understand that I was married to you. I have a child with you. So and we a different game. But we are discussing another one where you are sitting here and somebody sends their family to pay your bride price. You've not seen me before. So I'm in Abrochi and I have a wife. And we are hoping that I will come and meet you. And that one, the pain is that they don't even bring you to Abrochi straight home. The man is supposed to come down here, come and do some photograph and things with you, so he could prove to the consular there that I came to visit my wife, and my wife is going to join me right now. So your own is that Oba, and the painful one is that those people, when the man comes immediately, they come to impregnate you. I had to say a ton, so for do me child, maybe I will be a ton, and nobody shigu. So they come like that to come and have that particular thing with you. So Oba, now can you say, Yabe Mao, Oba no be nyimwa. Na say na nam embassy sa. What did you say? Inconvenience. And yeah, then you become a stumbling block in the place. If you cry yama, wine, they get miscarriage. And remember, every woman, clinically, on statistics of 0 to 10, we have 7 women that their first pregnancy will go through what we call miscarriage. Oh yes, it's normal. It's a bonsam. Although bonsam it for why say come, just come. Let's put you down and examine you very carefully because your womb have never seen anything heavy like that before. So the likelihood of you getting a miscarriage in clinical theory or practice is there. And to people who are sure you saying, or be nyimwako, or nyimwa or ko you saying hey, and he's going back. He's coming back to Ghana. It's very difficult because the going he's going, as for the going he's going, but coming back is so difficult for him to come back to impregnate you again. So usually there are women that when the men were living were pregnant, thinking that obedient wine, a wine we are or go through process now. Feel no son chen bema na benim ni bio. Obi to chen bema 7 years, 5 years because nyama oye wo the documentation has not gone through. Now within that 5 years, not 2 first one was miscarrying. Say, see how Beman is some bad, you pennies and you. You see what the problem is? Nasa Oba a process no not or your miscarry pet. Now you're in the hospital near your friends a clean evacuation man and MVA man. Now you're washing a year. Your money mask kakra. I said Beman Sashi Subio, 9 years but only hentino. No a jack to us. So before you come back, it's one of the effects. So those of you who they have married you have not seen the men before, but they send their family to come and marry you. Your pain is more painful. I'm saying that because who be manage that. Once you have money ban and say also buy only be 2 months. I say okoye no aberi onoko. Nyinson share also nyinson ne hwan. I must see out to hono who fare by. Once you share boss bra. Na American base for someone somebody COVID-19 to nyamba into the who na echere baby awobia. So the effect is very 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 painful on you, the woman who your husband is gone. And we are discussing wives. So mum plan no ya talking mokuma se munyedin. No mun tie say I don't need omokasa. Now, some of the effects are sexual effects. What we call the impact of your sex life. You know, under the law, 18 months you're supposed to have sexual intercourse. Maximum 18 months, you are likely to go and file for annulment of the marriage, and it's accepted. 18 months, 1 year, actually. The other part of it is that when are you declared barren? It is said in clinical history, say a constant relationship with a male or a man or a husband. They say male because a male, constant sexual intercourse with the male within the 18 months to 24 months. When you have that constant sexual intercourse and the baby is not coming or the womb is not taking seed, you can be declared as obia. You see, we are barren and now with fertility issues after going to see a doctor. So here is the case: a man has married you in long distance, or you with timetable. And to the timetable, December in the Bruno Ghana. And to do a hot one, the sex life in the marriages every year. You be really December. You starting before Christmas, 19th. Bemalary sa, kosi 17th. No call back to
17th January.
Somebody some bro, no my phone. Hey, Nana say you.
Many will be awesome.
I have or to send you a timetable down.
I so awesome.
Oh, awesome saying. Your uncle will be a phone as almost soon.
The more do pan.
Then your uncle will be you see the part phone, the air can phone, I can own any many action. As a branch and a so. Now, John, I say, you know, Miss Kwame Abo. Obi on him, Kwame, says, Kwame Bang. Hey, now when you say, I got here, my wallet, Nicola Obrichin, one, you bring an obey you to Abba, Nicola Basset, you on Pew, or sing Cosias, and Yankosias, no see. Bearman and Tinny Jimmy Asak on the room, and Sancrophone within the month in share, what about December? And you menstruate once in a month. So he comes down in December. The time he comes to meet you menstruation, or you are finished menstruating, maybe the 17th of Belande, your ovulation has just passed, waiting for your next menses. Then by January, you start your menses before you go. So he doesn't meet you during ovulation. No. 1 year again. How people are learning because because yes, and I'm going buy every December. Or born me down, or 3 November, but you menstruate once and you ovulate once. So before he came down to Ghana, you have already passed your ovulation, expecting your next menses. When your next ovulation is coming, his timetable was out for him to go back. Although he was having sex with you throughout the month he came, he never had sex with you during ovulation. That is why you're still saying, hey, he's going. Obesa Bioma, 1 year time. No, so in long distance relationship, fertility issues for women increase. And it's not because they are barren, but it's because they become barren by themselves. So this is one of the negative effects. They become sexually inactive. Say, obi ani kru eni hano, ni mpama gro hu touch ma. The yan say okoshia be me bia nani bie yan say na adwumu do. Person come ba ne sha. Omo machines bremo. Ebi na bi say ne say so bi mu da na. Na me aduma next week me better on so muhwe.
What dey there?
Me wo bi.
What dey there?
Media no only every year be na me aduma ya orgasm conference every year.
Okay, I know that.
Every year they teaching aid. Me woni nyina.
I know there.
O me woni nyina new ones bi kura machine. Na dem na me hu me yem hye. Machine o. Machine say
vibrate.
There be say akonya we. Ana ya the machine ye say. Until udi male organ to ya no na online na de be press start no enye vibrator. So it's be I to say ebu ni until length happen no abosu say until 4 inches ha me hu da abrofo ebeku ye and no baby agi not in a community when if you know or didn't name me as so that's the sound. Let me say so me tabi bisa say what the sound? They say the sound should give you excitement. That is
and there's excitement with you.
Chale, a vibrator. Every machine I manufacture and what happens they say the man thinks that for you to be faithful, that's another effect.
Yeah.
He should buy for you trikuleko or vibrators. So as you sit in Ghana, You are walking like a faithful woman. Faithfulness is not when you are using vibrators and dildos on yourself. Faithfulness is not when you are masturbating. Any woman or man who masturbates has a brain damage. Why dream the how masturbating? Or be a masturbating, you are bodam, we are bodam for. We hear dream, a dream, and you near from because the idea can what you wait when you know who answer it. Now, you know why? It's your body send out to me a self-stimulation of your male organ and ejaculate. And your excitement has gone into another level where your nerves are activated through yourself. So, Berman in here, your sexual life becomes a negative lifestyle. Either you masturbate so that you take the originality of God's excitement on your plate. Now, see, I could do something. Now, dear me, ya, I'm barefoot crying. Now, Otia Brochre, hi, babe. Can I say, baby, be afraid of baby, be a name some oil. Or person mouth breast milk, and not person to feeding bottle mouth. Or Berman, the person from barman in Nenijia, Yanni Queen. I know a palace. Your baby pa would have made them. And you say, but mouth, breast, friends, a feeding bottle. And say, why from baby in now, Maria, you not go baby, no musu. Or be a friend of Queen in soon. The Queen don't cry because Queen's not as yes, everyone. And what one from, hi, babe, I miss you so much, and I decided that if you have enough bundle, today, let's have some sex on screen. Is this sex? You don't tell me on YouTube. Now I saw, or no I saw. Now so I saw. Video call. Net the mouth. Oh, see how I miss you. Oh, hold your breast for me. As you hold your own breast, I feel it is my hand holding your breast. Press it. Press it. Press it. Your husband is in the US. You are in Ghana, and through visuals, he says your hand has become his hand. So hold your nipple on his behalf, and you're holding your nipple and your G. Now no for the G. So your hand has become his hand. So you are pretending to have sexual intercourse on phone. Oh, you are saying, Eda me bad dear me see, I'm paye baby. I told train manaba. The day he comes, there is nothing he will do that will move you sexually. Because your sexual orientation has moved out of the normal to abnormal. That's the effect. So here, he buys you sex toys, he buys you dildos. If you are watching me, and your husband in abroad says me, now we didn't know crema minty. What to vibrator bro? Nyama obadi didn't want grow. Wama was your masturbation. Who Jimmy who jai? Sisani na brame. When you Bible, Sisani na brame. Frebema na can say ohima ohine. Se upe ria. Fe play. Na berry. Se who to me mba. Mama ndwe me ho. Anami power there binko. It's better for you to divorce than to destroy your sexual gratification, because a ban is after the beba ne ba unhuano. When the man comes now officially, there are a lot of people that when their husband comes back from Abuchi and they are not living together in the same house, they begin to have challenges because sex becomes a problem. And now, me de kweku dia waba na so oye kra mentehwe. Bema also yes anu bedu kuro mu anu ne esi. Dia ba de say one twa no wetin kuro be fi Abuchi ba. Hom be fi akono mu nyama stroke. Unu be fi. Because Obana or Tigana no. Uti abrochire no. Who German, Hamburg, maybe I will be an auto machine bread until the machine na shana yase. And to wo buy na awe no. One machine in yape. Muso pese disconnecting machine if you na adwem. And to see the swa a girl. No, Bema so si na bisa se wa bra no kan dem say aida. Osisu sa na we wu komayale no we wu jimi ewu kwa. Why? Because you created it. So the sexual effect is high, and it's not just for excitement, but childbirth becomes a challenge because as a woman, your biological clock is ticking. You will fear be a wood do and you say to me woo, but one day you do wood in you. Or Baba child who and fear a sebuo. When you get to menopause, that is where you can't have a child. So it's not that somebody will say that because it is believed that 300,000 eggs are released for you the day you are born. So when you get to puberty, close to 450 to 500 are what are left for you to menstruate. So a baby way, so that can't start menstruation time 20 years. Busumi bia no bu bako. And think because you have 450 and more than what I asked. Ubu back. And to see I not me calculate say my menstruating for 10 years. And the 10 years to say you budia. That is a well out hono. Busumi bia gu baako. And the busumi bia baako every month no one. Every year, and how many months there were? 12 months. So every year you break 12. So 12 times 10 is what? 120. So as you're sitting down right now, say 10 years ago, now started menstruation, then you have already lost 120 eggs. And if you believe that the 460 to 500 eggs, no one, I say, oh, you 120. If you 460 eggs, that's a good one. What that's it. So when it comes to egg issue, fertility, some person say, you are not off from the place. But say, once you are calculating your son. I feel a bear man bar. The woman say, "Only 45. Wait, money. Who goes to sir? If you are 60 and you are still menstruating, you can have a child. The problem is that pregnancy is a weight. And I hear one thing there. So when you are old and you are pregnant, you become weak. That is what the Down syndrome comes on the children. So your biological clock, I see a ticking, and you say, "I will 30." No, now won't tell me so wow. Esa won tema na to wododo wuti we meti se wa wo mienu da chia ebe me ya what am I say wuti we esa be ma bia be ware ba me sro a kire so a me fo hia ho kan kwasa asem nti man wo be se 10 esa ne hu susua me sra mo hwe picture ni ye na da chi mo fa kan asem ma me esa wododo a wododo na di sika
o de me a
na wana me ne ka say me bia kwanya man krofo so mo ne wo wododo 10 what does it? And what 10 and let's all share sentem. No one one thing. Imagine when you are 40 and your daughter or your son is 20. It makes sense. But now in our times, when we are 60, our daughters are now 20. They just finished university. That's our firstborn. Then your secondborn is now in JSS. What does it? So your biological clock alone will also be affected clinically, especially when you don't know your status. The answer say there are times that you have gone to the hospital to check. Doctor see BBI then clean. Your husband is not here. So you have waited for him. He comes from Abrochi. Now if you don't do one and Abrochi the family when the Abrochi how. Yeah say about how. You know what forcing is ask me minimum be of German buy. Obana trust is 12 years. Oba gidi yerimba osetina me de be Abrochi German Abrochi kolibu de me mpe and how doctors for normal bon say me pa me choice said you say be anima me di nitumu bi anse no ba do be you go nyina ye koko spem ni nyina koko emupi na so e poposu koko no be emwa ni nyina because spem no e say emwa ni what tail no more head do you go on the tail are dead the head are dead enti no wo say emwa no me say but na adwene say ade no mu pia wo hwam na do say mu pia na wa hodia enya sao e say do you go to enu no e thick pa it is a starch by the question video mu hwe no emwa ni nyina ye say and at 12 years the woman has been waiting Oba Yansono for more than 3 months he has lobbying to come to the hospital to come and check his sperm count analysis. Then Oba ni tuno ye hwa ade mu de oyi na ni junso epe junso po wani manu nyam say now we have to lobby the woman to understand and I will spend money for you to go and do IVF and blah. The woman is not ready for it. I'm saying, so madam, you have stayed for 12 years whilst you are fertile. The man who, so before you engage in any form of long distance relationship and the man is in Ghana and you agree to go through this pain, know your clinical status. Because you say Chinaya, last week we friends on only no say on the metna. Na bra wa febu be see tie me. Last week man as I say, which way say me walo na me nyemu na me jawo ma me maame a e ya asefam e ya. Actually so say me jawo e ma wo o maame. Empon enye desao. Ukun unyum na ukun hwa e ye de send the wu obi foforo hwa. And to see the crone jano man, say the crone say, baby, I'm not a young fear. Like the man has built a house in Accra, and the mother is not in Accra. But over to Kwan on in the mammy and in yams or metin if you're on one you don't buy. So you are the owner of the house, so stay in the house. But or see bra or bread yet define in saying no. Tama a do so be one or William Yamin Kwano or Tiasi, but what should I call? Now the Nasi Bana Yen. As any crone by 7 years. So the man is expecting a 7-year-old child. But of course, so you the other impact is that your child bearing becomes a challenge for you to go. Number 2, the other part is that oko school ana okoye juma ana then na bema na oja wako as a wife no what is he going to do? One, is your husband a professional living in Ghana? Is he a universal professional or a local champion? Ghana has certificate to do a local champion certificate. Yamaya breko school sa go do abrochia etumi nya hwe. If you live here as a nurse, don't think that you are a senior nurse here when you go to Abrochi, especially in the US, Canada. When you get there, no, straightforward, no, you are practicing. No. Some become home care assistants because their standard of practice, if you've not gone through it, so immediately your husband is leaving Ghana to go to Abrochi to go and do the thing. The question is that he's living here as a professional. Is he a universal international professional or a local professional? Now, is he going to send you money? Or we understanding that yemi anu ye koi unu se me koi me gonya adwuma bi anye enti enfie du edi anim ne de mesra wo munja me na mentumi emboa me ho na me fan so me ho so enti you are going to stay here for you to have your financial status being managed by yourself. So one, think about your financial standing as the man is living. Be man ekono e dan na wutim no e dan onu awasi e onu ani fie e dan mo high matu amfie sen enti be man ekono no ne ho nsoye na okwa abrochire na okwakọ no afuna okwa eduma kakra abo sika na no e dia ye nkrata asem enti ogonya $5,000 a o tumi fam betu adan ka enti ho fie aja won kran no e wo Ghana no mesraw en hihye ne den e wo dan kam. Are you supposed to pay your own rent? You are a wife. We are talking about wives and your girlfriends. So you have to also consider where you are living. Yet, are we living in our own house? Is this house for my husband who is going to pay utilities? What is your income rate? Are you coming to marry to take care of yourself? Remember, long distance relationship brews miscommunication and leads to misunderstanding and misinformation. Enti wote wo ho nko ano. Be manager no, one about your light, over to your water, hwe wo ho ana. Now, the other part is that long distance relation where a man is leaving you, what is your status? Are you somebody who has children already before the man is going? What are the ages of the children? What are the income level of the children? So there are times that people leave their wives. Only know about you. Backward the 6, backward the 7, and now backward the 9. And kwala school community share day. Me say be man ekono. Obenya adwuma ohwa na mposo konya clean adwuma ya. $9 an hour and now $5 an hour no obo ano no. And one of the coin in crack assemble. So bet send you scan. So check where wotin meja wo Ghana yet. And ya feel na den ra betu. No akopa bosia betu ya danka. And ya feel na kwala ni fees. Uchi nkrofo so. Na wonenya na okunu wa brochire. Mrs. Sawa nya adwuma o. Okoye enfie mieni na adwuma bi amba yo. Enti mi ana me hwe nkola yo. Is that the reason why he left? So consider this status in your life before you ask the man to leave you and go. Say one tia see fine. Why would you where are wade for? As for mu amuti we, we ni wo come for yi. Ah mo na mo ayan wale ma muso ma dia ta mo ni asa mo ti mo de meba mo so. Na mo de mi hu ni se nya ni bie. E ya dwi mo yale. Mo de ndemu nya psychological orientation.
Counselor, yanko communication. Ewo long distance relationship mu. Ewo wife, any husband.
The kind. Anytime you join long distance relationship, we have what we call the misinformation, the misinterpretation. Then it leads to miscommunication and lands in mistrust. Misinformation, misinterpretation, miscommunication, and mistrust. The reason is that it destroys your communication ability. Hello, Adwa. Bagodia. Mira, mami frog class is here. Aden. Maybe I'm one day the war. Oh, I hear the war. Depends on mami frog. Tio, mami frog, nature say, I'm not in a place that we can talk. But on feel I know so. O katina some kesiye. That's one number 2. Time range. Yeah, first they US of A. Now we're Ghana. Only 4 hours ahead. And two man good night. You about 12. I ain't about one. What that 9? Actually, swa bibi anko ya wosan apɛ day 6 wada
6 p.m. man.
Akoko da wonya mane this a da yamba studio pen na won dantem but them sis na nyese
me wo fie cry
and I say dey ti a wo dantem say ye fra won tem be adwumanti a what that say wo bon ko a wo hia
enya ne sa o me wo fie o me ni fie o 6 months
na wa ko a wo hia da
dey
ye TV so na betuma ka an na ka ye bia ma ye wo ha no
oh me ma ko dan ka me ka che
e bia me fa bia me chia
me fa won ko a wo hia
woni me fa se ma me ka
e me fa be na okay
e ka me fa ndi se me fa
ayo
ada woni me fa bia me ni ma na
minim se nya minim no
okọ a wo hia
ono nko bi da
o di ni ti
Susan sun nko bi da
mai ga hibe nyanye wo be nyimu bia we da be show pa ma ra sa we fi tie eti communication becomes a challenge because one ofrewa onjin di said dia wo kan ye no kre number 2 or expect say men da uda jana e asem ena abrochire no omo ye lonely so bia enti onya time we pra hello baby esamo kan nyina esam wow
how's that me ba
esam kwa na so be say wutie when you come cry say wutie yes darling now those why are you sleeping oh no hey neya because of the time range also is not ready to time awo obetumi ni wakasa no o wadwumam also adwuma na ntise edi atumi fa call esi ukon a still aye adwuma na akasa nurse afa call doctor afa call mechanic afa call ani baba bi oyi miti na wenya call meti ho obo nkoma wagya miti na si ho owi osi mintia
any shape di obe ma obi
oyi ni na mintia because me na so do eating o we see time no enti communication itself has a lot of inconveniences away from entro bisana ko bisa asem na so ba sorry trans yi
ai ye dim komo dia fa long distance relationship na watwetwe mu no ye eyere esi ho efiase edi eyere a wo call long distance relationship mu na yato aso ye dim komo no a na de dro no obetumi abamu bi enti number no 050 150 3063 050 150 3063 and I say 050 150 3062 63 no na ba ko no and then no the 2 ahye ho eno ano no betumi aba enkomo imu ebi ana unim obi a wo sa ate bia nimu ebi ana wankasa so uwom e wo se odi bitu kotodwem na wotu hofo esanse long distance relationship oyi ya pa ai se wankasa unkomu da kra ebi a udofo bia komuda na uhunu ne yaw se nipa ne ben wo a utiti mu nsem a na chese enya de a eye easy kra enti hwe se ansa na bekom no wode nhye bi begu akwemu ansa na watumi aye ne sa
anti communication na challenge no dey kind of credit another problem network Ghana another problem
yankwa maso no offer for me moache ya for say na kasa free
me de bele me kasa fe dan so
okay bele kasa
me facho me ne get your wife and girlfriend
I say
wangasa unya
I say girlfriend na girlfriend
I am a girlfriend.
But what Miss Ramisa, I will be a moy and Pemagra now. Will be a who and 20 can go.
Oh, yeah.
And your girlfriend, your friend is sex meet, Casayanko, or sex meet, will be our own. I shall be a yanko.
Okay, thank you, Counselor.
Medasi.
And the Minute say 3 days time, you know, from the catcher, Mr. Onion. And the better Mr. Counselor says, I know me 3 days time was your onion. I tell me after tea and I say, because we need to catch him.
Now 3 days time, no real answer.
Oh, yeah, when it's in a bed, 2 months.
And I'm the time or con, or real answer.
Oh, yeah.
And the macho, one and you know.
And I said, we need to catch him.
What do you need? How many days?
3 days.
Oh, 3 days to 1 week.
3 days to 1 week. Now, so all got 3 days to 1 week, no real answer. Mujai.
Okay, and you need a minute and we need to have 2 weeks time.
2 weeks time. And to win in 2 weeks time and sana only ni jai. Okay. Eti easy say ye we na ut be kaipa e una nyem no. but easy say bit na calculate but the issue ni say once na tie na say on na tie nya anwen so bufuro awi wo
Cancel mpacho you phone on Ankata nyim no. Hello Cancel.
Me tie o, you phone on no nyim no.
You phone mpacho you phone on nyim no. You decide say you phone no, me say accept me accept no back. Na me nene right now. And you decide say you phone on your how many months? Or say it 2 months. Now actually July say. You know me catch so catch in July and can pull what 3 months. If you are to hospital me catch and the doctor say we have 5 months. And the doctor, how can I accept this?
There be na 5 months na ne tie na ne nte.
Oh right now, better one.
That me just say before 5 months na ne tie na ne nte.
Oh yeah, me need start better.
Oba oni ne tie what there. Bema nyinson se ewu asom. Na yem ko akire ye nya hwehwemu ma because there me ya ne say yem fa say be mi na share the nyinse na but say you to forgive. Na ye de brown na to akora ne kwa aten akora ne be jimi wo kru. Enti eno podi obeda ne yempia. Obedi aban sika. Enti dia me chance say ye pon afre me. Yeah, it's easy for us to know say e ye wo ana enya wo. But we ye the suama ma no. Woni be mate no nya ho ade a. Men man e wi oro. Man e share roba. Ba say na be ma ba nyim wa be bi wa no aka say nyinse no so nyim no. It's painful.
Aye, ono kra no.
And I didn't know you no nya yire we a sex mate. And a sex mate no, what we have sex mate obi atomere. It's not by you, I mean bomb home by. Na ma fire dey anko. Oh, these are the pain I feel for women. That you are some women are foolishly faithful to boyfriend, sex mate. One the other nyim no see or nyim no.
Kanso yankwa maso. Offer for me watching, your frost and akasa free. Meso jina ye my
But
Patro I kasa.
but
Yen tonka you.
Mama online be a wona nyo we abrochi na look nu kasa nka ma wi awade yi. Mentonka na network same branch papa.
Yenko ofo froso memoache eba no panko modwumedie so.
Pacho me me kasa first.
Okay, me pacho kasa mame.
Pacho wona me. The girlfriend of would be the root to what I knew. If you make a tie, to say self, I'm going to say, then I know. If you are for the big mission.
And I didn't fear saying. What did you fear saying?
Pacho.
Yen tonka you.
Oh, and idiot. How am I in one?
6 months and I'll pass out 10.
I'll say wine and yim.
Or say, or new baby never.
And oba
now, and now I'm say problem with me, but wow, this 6 months of a swat aqualan.
Untimi ti akwan. Mgana mrani 7 years. Now who onu fu ade dware hwensem fon. Who onu fu ade man kwala. E ma so de woman ye bro. Na ba se na be ma se enyem o. O be ma ye wi afrem na me nche so untimi ti akwala no. Wa sede na sa wo ye. Enye yira sem no ka no. Empra. Baby mama.
And I won't treat in the cry.
Baby mama, o se obeja akwala no.
Asem. Kansa yanko so enti enkomo a ye ka ho asem no. Ofre for memo akwaba eba anopa nkomo adwumedie so. Memo akwaba eba anopa nkomo adwumedie so.
Hello?
Yes.
Madam.
Me afami tie o.
That's it. Don't know about you. That's why we are no one there. Okay, down.
Only ba unchen sesen.
Oh, so yeah, okay, we are no one. We are.
O se obi ba unchen a councilor betumi